the big ones, so I'm gonna get them for you. I'm gonna get the big ones for you.
One more thing. No, okay, that's enough. That's enough.
One more thing. Enough.
Benaya, stop. Dad said no more.
No, he said one more thing.
He didn't mean wood. Did he?
He said one more thing, so I'm going.
Stop. A lesson in disobedience again.
I didn't hear him say. Sheesh.
Yeah, that's what we need. Although
And
water doesn't put
one more thing.
out oil fires.
Mom, I'm gonna open it. Mom, look. Watch this. Watch this, Mom. Now watch this.
I'm watching.
See? Look at this.
Yep.
I can close it. I'm for the other day now, so I know how to close it now.
All right.